Hey, what's going on, everybody? New updated video here with some plumbing. I think plumber was here today. It's Saturday the 3rd, June 3rd, I believe. Anyway, plumber's been here. Shower head there, shower valve. Double vanities here. Did all these. Most of the vents are through. Roof penetrations. Electrician's been here over the past few days, gotten a lot done. I think most of the wire is run, really. All the home runs, anyway. Another bath here, single vanity, toilet, shower. He still has to move a couple of these drains. They're not centered in the shower. I think that one he's going to move a little bit closer to the front edge. It's got fittings on these for the islands. Got water running through the wall here to supply both sides. See, like this drain is going to have to get moved into the center, but he's got a shower valve there. Fitting for a shower head there. Bath here with single vanity. And then he's got a washer box here. And all these vents, roof penetrations. I asked him to put all the roof venting out over to the north side of the building. So he's running this one over to this, the north side of the building, the north slope of the roof. Because if I ever do solar, which I plan to on the south side, then there won't be any vents that are in the way of the solar panels, so we can run more panels more efficiently. So, got a lot done. I'm gonna have to go and buy toilets and fixtures pretty soon here, it looks like. Pretty exciting. I didn't think the plumber was going to be here today, so this is a pleasant surprise. Just came down to meet a couple friends and walk them through it. They wanted to check it out. They'll be here any minute. So, thanks for watching. Like and follow. Go fuck yourself. Bye.